Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Fenia Septiani dari manajemen 22A dengan NPM 22411033. Pada kesempatan kali ini, izinkan saya menjelaskan materi dari manajemen keuangan, materi ke-10 yang berjudul Production Management. Definition of Production Management. Production management is a tracking system that regulates products that have not yet, so it becomes a product that is ready to be marketed to consumers. In terms of management, production management is responsible for surprising process so that later the results are in accordance with what has been formulated in the planning. With the process goes well, it is easy for the company to determine the question, such as which products should be launched to the community first previously. There are two things related to production management. First, the division of labor. With the right division of labor, it will help the production process become more effective. Second, the industrial revolution. It is this revolution that puts machines as substitute for human labor. Hopefully, all the target the company aspire to easy to achieve. Understanding product management according to experts. Yang pertama, Sofjan Aswari. Production management is an activity to organize and coordinate this of a number of resources, be it people, tools, fund, or material, through precisely executed production management. Searching management, this power can be done more efficiently and effectively, so that it can be able to creating and adding to the function or usefulness of a service of thing. Yang kedua, Handoko. Based on the explanation from Handoko, the understanding of production management and operation are various. Management efforts with optimal use of all resources. Some these production factors include labor, equipment, raw goods, machinery, and so on. Through all these factors, businesses are able to transfer raw material into various products and services. Irham Fahmi. Definition of production management from Irham Fahmi is a combination management system discussed the way of production management from the party the company US, the RT and the sense it has to organize and direct people in achieve production result according to the target or desired goal. Heiser Reader. Definition of production management according to Heiser Reader is series of activities that create value, burn from goods and service by making input as output. Production management objectivitas. Every process must have a purpose. The following are the objective of production management, which include: number 1, managing human resources in order to maximize liability with essential tasks. Yang kedua, organizing the workforce to match its other skill set. Yang ketiga, managing production equipment from purchasing to maintenance so as not to cause damage. Production management function. Number 1, planning. Before carrying out the production process, careful planning is needed. If planning can be done well, it will help company in minimizing production costs. Company can also set prices with margin capable of making a profit. Number 2, Supportive service. This is service used to support the production process. Function. These two are commonly used to establish which method is good for production so that the results are in accordance with the company. Yang ketiga, processing process. This is third function is very important because it is used processing products in the process usually utilize resources effectively and more efficiently. Supervision. In order for the company goals to be well planned, the supervision need this serves to guarantee so to the production process follows applicable regulation. Product management aspects. Number one, product planning. This planning is done so that the production process runs smoothly. When about to doing to planning, then there must be an initial decision that needs to be taken. Example, determine raw material, suppliers, quantity, and product quality. Number two, production control. Control steps are important so that the production process goes according to plan. The production control, there are the things that must be known, namely making plans, determine the target market, and draw up a workout schedule. The essence of control is intended so that the production process is in line with the goals of the company. Yang number three, production supervision. This is quite important in production management, namely supervision neatly. It is uniquely that the production process will go according to plan. Purpose of the supervision is that the production process run in accordance with the company style goals. Begin in terms of time allocation to the budget that has been made by the company. Scope of product management. Scope with the regards to design. It can be said that this is a long-term discussion in production management. Why is it? Because this discussion includes many things such as determination of size, of design, location, production design methods, job description design, and there are many others. Number 2. Scope with regard to transformation. This is a short-term discussion. This discussion is related operationally and detailed in this discussion. Includes several things such as shift production schedule, budget input summation schedule for summation of input to processing and output subsystem customer. Number 3. Scope with regard to improvement. This one policy is more about continue. But therefore, this policy is carried out regularly and periodically. As for some active that fell into this category such as make continue improvements to quality, expense, improvement of system efficiency and efficiently competence from the workers' capacity and information made constantly from the methods used in working on a product. Conclusion. Product management is a process of planning, organization, directing, and controlling activities. Production function in companies and transport for use used in the production subsystem. The organism becomes value-added product in controlling manner according to organizational policy. The purpose of production management is to produce service goods of proper quality and quality at the right time and cost of production. Product quality is a selection based on customer requirement. The right quality is not necessarily the best quality. determined by the cost of the product and the technical characteristics corresponding to specific recruitment. The manufacturing organization must produce the right amount of product. If they are producing in excess, demand capital will be closed in the form of inventory, and if the quantity is produced below demand, leads to product shortage. Timelines of delivery is one of the important parameters for assessing the effectiveness of the production department. So the production department must make optimal origin of input requests to achieve its goals. Production costs are set before the product is actually produced. Therefore, all efforts should be made to production at preset costs, thereby reducing variance between actual cost and standard. Demikian yang bisa saya sampaikan dari menjelaskan materi ke-10 ini. Saya ucapkan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.